Hey guys, welcome to the Smartphone Lifestyle channel, where in this channel I'm going to teach you how to make money from your smartphone using very simple apps that I personally use myself with actual proof. And stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to double your money and invest it so you can make more. Okay, so first things first, the first app that I recommend is called Bounty. Okay, and this is a receipt app, and let me show you how it works here. So if we go into it, this is my personal app. You see my name, Mark Bourbonnais. I've made $33.50 from simply scanning receipts I get from Costco or whatever they ask me to. If you go to available tasks down here, there's nothing right now available, but they always add more. And when they do, you go to the store, you scan the receipt, they'll give you 50 cents, $1, whatever it is. Heck, it's free money. Take it, okay? Second, Receipt Hog. Another great app that I personally use. And let me show you here. Again, it's a receipt app where you scan receipts and they give you coins, and you can redeem these coins for rewards. So let me show you. So I currently have 522 coins from receipts that I've scanned. And then you can play slots like this, and you get more coins. No prize this time. If I do it once more, nothing. I guess I'm not lucky today. Oh, look at that. 2 coins. You get the idea, okay? There's games in here, you get more coins, more rewards. And then when you can do, you redeem the prizes. You have choices. You can get Amazon gift cards, Visa prepaid gift card, or send directly to your PayPal. So how it works, 1,000 coins gives you $5, and so on. So guys, start scanning receipts. That's all I gotta say. Visa, again, same thing, same pay structure. 1,000 coins, $5. So another great app that I personally use that is good. Third app that is great, fantastic app, is it's called Mylo. What this does is that you hook it up to your bank and your credit cards or all your cards that you have, and it rounds out every transaction. Let's say you pay $2.70, and there's 30 cents left in that transaction. That 30 cents is invested for you into your Mylo account. Okay? So I'll pull up my Mylo account here to show you. I've personally saved over $200.71 in over a year, I think, from just saving, buying stuff. It's passive income here, guys, 100%. And there'll be a link in the description where you can sign up with Mylo as well, so you can start putting away those pennies in order to, I don't know, save up for a trip, whatever you want to create your goal here, as you can see. Okay, so next one. If you like taking pictures, I recommend Snapwire here. Great app. There's like challenges and stuff. Let's say you have family portraits. Whatever pictures you have, you submit them, and you can sell your pictures. Hey, if you like taking pictures, this is the app to get, guys. It works. Okay. And now, guys, the fifth and final app, my favorite, the easiest money I've ever made, walking downtown, walking in the mall, walking anywhere. Okay. It blows my mind how easy this is. Anybody with a smartphone can make Super easy money with this one. Are you ready? Okay. It's called Job Spotter. Okay. This app, pure genius. I don't know how it works, but it works. Okay. Whenever you see a help wanted sign anywhere, whatever it is, you snap a picture of it, like this here. Okay. Hiring sign. You take a picture, snap it, submit it. Once it gets submitted, it goes into your folder here. Okay. They give you points depending on the algorithm or the store or whatever. Okay. So if you have like a, let's say Gap is so common, they give you 5 points. I had one here, Paper Destiny, 205 points. That was almost $2 plus that I made on that one. Same here, City Transfer Delivery, over $2. Sometimes you get $4. It's crazy. Okay. So you see, I've been busy. Whenever I'm out, I see a help wanted sign, I take a picture. And let me show you proof that this works. Okay. Here's my wallet. November, $2. November 30th, $30. September 25th, $25. February 9th, $32. December 19th, $29. And recently, October 11th, $101. Guys, these are all for Amazon gift cards. And I'm pretty sure that every single buddy in the world shops on Amazon. So get these apps, guys. It blows my mind how easy this is, okay? So again, I was going to show you something else. Use this money to double it, guys. Start an online business. I'll show you how you. I'm giving away a free funnel where you can start actively making sales daily and free training at the same time. Okay, it's right here. All you got to do is put your email address in there, follow the steps, and it's going to walk you through step by step on how to make your first money using internet and using your phone. Okay, guys? So with that said, guys, like and subscribe, click the little bell, see my notifications. I will be putting out videos almost daily to help you guys make more money using your smartphone. Have a good day.